Okay, we're getting through these silent final E rules. We have 2 left right now, and we're going to start with the word little so that we can analyze and figure out what rule we're going to use on this one. Now, the word is little. There's 2 syllables, so we're going to count little. And we're going to analyze the first syllable. The little dog sat on the step. Little. The first sound we hear in the first syllable is ul. So we're going to make a ul. It's the only ul, single letter ul we know. We don't mark it because it's an only sound. Second sound is I. And we're going to, it's I. We don't mark it. It's the first sound. And the third sound in the first syllable is t. And we don't mark that. It's an only sound. Now we're going to leave a little space here to indicate that we have a second syllable. The second sound we hear in the first sound we hear in the second syllable is t. And we don't mark it. It's an only sound. The third the last sound we hear in the second syllable is ul. And we don't mark it. It's the only sound for the letter ul. Now, is this the legal spelling for the word little? The dictionary says it is not. To make it legal, we add our final silent E. And we need to figure out what rule this is. The rule is need one more, rule 4. Every English syllable must have at least one written vowel. If there are no written vowels in the spoken syllable, as in the case of the word little, the silent final E jumps in to finish the word and protect it to keep it from breaking a rule of our language. So, we're going to underline this letter twice. Put a number 4 indicating it's the 4th rule. And it is a rule breaker. That's why it's underlined twice. There's no arrow needed. It doesn't do anything other than it just needs one more, rule 4. So this is the word little. I want you to really look at this. There's a couple other words that do this. And that's all for the add one more, rule 4. Keep an eye out for these.